ఓపెన్ చేయ టీచర్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ చెప్తా.
So now children, yes children, today we are going to discuss about chapter 2, the pool of tears of Alice in Wonderland. Page number 6 of your text Alice in Wonderland. Everyone should open page number 6, Alice in Wonderland. Before that, you have to look at your screen. Everyone look at your screen. What is our chapter 2? Our chapter 2 is the pool of tears. The pool of tears. You can see Alice is sitting here and a rabbit. Yes. And how, see how big she has grown. Alice has grown very big. In our previous chapter, we have learned that Alice ate a cake. Yes, she got a piece of cake, a small box, and a very small cake in it. And "Eat me" was written on the cake. She ate it and she grew bigger and bigger. Now let us see what happened in the next chapter. Before going to the next chapter, let us see some new words and their meanings. Ceiling. What is the meaning of ceiling? Don't write. Just listen better. Don't write. Ceiling. The upper surface of a room. Duchess. The wife or widow of a duke. What is the meaning of duke? A male holding the highest hereditary title in the British. A man, a male, a man is called a duke in British. Okay. So duchess means a wife or widow of a duke. Gloves, a cover for the hand. We all know what are gloves? Pool, a small area of water. Now let us see. Look at the screen, everyone. The Children, are you able to see the screen? Children, can you see the video? Have you seen the video? Yes? I have stopped it, the video. I have stopped the video.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You are not able to see the
No,
video.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No one were able to see the video, children.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, we can't hear the voice. No, ma'am. We can't. No.
Beta, you were able
No,
to see
ma'am.
that. You were able to see that. Okay, children, see how the pool has filled with the tears. Alice, why Alice started crying, and what about the pool? Everything we'll see now in this story, beta. Let us see now. Yes, children.
Ma-
Why?
Ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, ma'am, story voice is not clear and it's not coming story voice.
Ma'am, voice is not clear, ma'am. For
Okay,
children.
okay, don't worry, beta. I will share this video through WhatsApp. You can watch it again, okay? Okay, beta. Don't worry. I will share this image. I will share this video through WhatsApp, okay?
Ma'am,
Okay. I will share this video through WhatsApp and you can see at your home.
ma'am, I like that story, ma'am. I like that story.
So now I'm going to explain the story. Now listen carefully. This is the chapter 2, the pool of tears, beta. Here, when Alice ate a piece of cake, a small piece of cake, when she ate, she grew very bigger and bigger. Suddenly she hit herself to the ceiling. Ceiling means the top surface of the house will be there, no? So she hit to that. Okay. And she got hurt and she started crying. I cannot open the door. I cannot see the door. She could able to take the key, but she could not able to open the door. She started crying and crying. She started crying so much, and that she was very big, no? So her tears are also very, very big tears. And her big tears made a very big pool there. Very big pool of water. The tears made a pool. And she saw a rabbit there. And rabbit was again telling, oh dear, I'm too late. Duchess is waiting for me. Who is Duchess here? The widow of Duke. Okay. A widow of Duke. She was waiting for me. I have to hurry. I have to go fast. He was telling. And Alice tried to stop him, but he cannot stop. He could not. And what was he carrying in his hand? He was carrying a pair of gloves, a fan in his hand. And while he was hurrying up, while he was running, he has thrown his fan there near the Alice. Alice got the fan and she picked up the fan and she started fanning herself. She started fanning herself. When she was fanning, she felt very cool. Yeah, it's better. I'm feeling little comfortable. It is cool, she thought. But she doesn't know that because of this fan, she's sinking. She's becoming again smaller and smaller. Very tiny, like a small bird. You have seen in the video, no? How small she has. Yes? Very small. She grew very small and she's surprised. Why am I becoming this much small? Why? Then she understood that because of fanning, and suddenly she threw the fan away, and now she is able to go out, but she doesn't know the way. The room, the hall, the big hall was completely filled with water or tears, filled with tears of Alice. And she suddenly splash. She fell down into the pool. And she saw some more animals also fell into the pool, like Dodo, the bird, duck, birds, mice, and many other animals fell into the water. First, she saw a mice fell into the water. She tried to talk with the mice. She tried to talk with the mice, and she don't know how to start. She asked, "Hey, mice." Then the mice didn't reply. She thought the mice may be a French mouse. The mouse may be a French mouse, and she started talking in French language. She said, where is my cat? And in French language, how did she say the same question? How did she repeat the same question in the French language? Où est ma chatte? She told in French language. What she told? Où est ma chatte? She told. What is the meaning of this question? She asked, where is my cat? You know, no children, mouse is scared of cat. Do you know mice are scared of cats? Yes, they are scared of cats. Yes, because cats eat mice. Cats eat, yes. So they're scared. By asking this question, where is my cat? The mouse got angry and it didn't reply anything. It just left. He was very angry and it just left from there. Now again she asked, where is my cat? Then again said cat. Dinash is very good. Then mouse said, I don't want to listen about cat. Then Alice understood, oh, the mouse is very much afraid of cat. That's the reason the mouse cat got angry. Then she kept quiet. Okay, okay, mouse, I'm sorry. I will not talk about cat. I will not talk to you about cat, it said. Alice said. Then again she tried to talk to the mouse and she told, the mouse began, there is a very nice little dog near our house. You know, mouse, you would love it. It likes playing with children, but it walks too. She started talking again with mouse. She's telling mouse, you know, there is a very little P. Kartika. There is a very little dog near our house. And you know, it loved playing with children. Its home is on the farm. Where is the home of this dog, beta? On the farm. And the farmer says that it helps him a lot. Farmers say that this dog helps him a lot. How the dog helps them? It kills all the mouse. And suddenly Alice stopped. Oh, why again I'm telling? Mouse, sorry. The dog will not eat the mouse again. She's telling. First she told that dog will eat the mouse. And mouse got angry and suddenly she told, no. Why am I telling the dog eats mouse again? The mouse will get again angry. Oh no, why did I say? The mouse got angry again. He splashed his way to the side of the pool and got out of the water. Alice went after him. Alice also ran after him. And there were a lot of animals and birds which had fallen into the pool. A duck and a dodo and others with names that Alice did not know. She knows only two names, dodo and duck. And other so many animals who were there, Alice doesn't know their names. They splashed after Alice and got out of the water. Alice, luckily, she know how to swim. She knows swimming. So that's the reason she also went back of the animals and she tried to come out of the pool through that small door. Okay, children. So this is the pool of tears. How Alice made a small pool with her tears. She cried a lot. She cried and cried. She grew very bigger. She cannot take the key. She can take the key, but she cannot open the door. She cannot go out of the door. That's the reason she cried and cried. And her big tears made a big pool. And at last, what happened? So many animals splashed, fell into the water, and they came out of the